Now, to use the tuner, we should at least have a basic understanding of the musical alphabet, which we're going to talk about briefly now. Looking at a piano is the easiest way to visualize and explain it. And if you want this PDF to follow along, you can download it on the website for free. So all of these black and white keys are called notes, and each note has a name. Those names form the musical alphabet. In the simplest terms possible, we name them from A to G, with some having middle names to create a 12-name pattern. When we reach the end, we repeat that pattern. The middle names are the black keys. They actually have two names. They can be called sharps or flats. Which one you call it depends on the context of what you're playing, which is unimportant right now. Just know that they each have two names, and depending on the tuner, it may call them by either of those names. For now, you can think sharp to the right and flat to the left. For example, this black key is between G and A. It is to the right of G, making it G sharp, and to the left of A, making it A flat. So this black key is G sharp or A flat. The one other thing to note here is that there is no black key between B and C or E and F. Now, where the guitar comes in is we need to make each string match a certain note on the piano, and that's why it's important to have a basic understanding of this, even if it's still a little confusing, because we're going to use this alphabet to tune the guitar. What we want is called standard tuning, which is using the notes E, A, D, G, B, and E for the guitar strings. And an easy way to remember that is to use the sentence, every apple does go bad eventually. This sentence starts from the fattest string and goes down to the skinniest string. E, A, D, G, B, E. Every apple does go bad eventually. Looking back at the PDF, we want the strings to sound like those same notes on the piano. E, A, D, G, B, and E. So we're going to use the tuner to help us match the strings to those notes.